Hello, my name is Weston Meade. I am here to talk about my portfolio project for the Nucamp front-end web development program. As you can see, this is the home page, the main page that you would load into on the site, and it is a fading carousel of images that are pre-programmed in. The fade in, fade out used to be done by using or by manipulating the DOM. Instead, I switched over to a state system where the state manipulates the fading in, fading out. Very difficult to do, but I managed using CSS transitions. The gallery was actually where I started with the fading in, fading out. And the gallery, as well as the home page, also has a loading feature that will wait until an image is loaded before moving on to the next image. So if an image is not loaded, you will see that little loading icon until the next image is loaded. I should mention that the gallery was very, very difficult to look in this manner in React, specifically because Bootstrap did not like to play ball with this side panel. Side panel with Bootstrap took a lot of CSS hacks in order to truly make look the way that it should have looked. Projects uses a React plugin, or a third-party plugin called anime.js, or anime.js React, where instead of just popping in, it pops in, fades in, and does that little animation. Anime.js is actually used for the gallery as well, for that is the animations. The projects are sectioned off by genre: websites, games, webcomics, animations. The websites act much similar to the gallery, as well as the games and webcomics. Instead of these fading in and fading out, though, it will just show you, it'll just pop the image in. Games, webcomics. Webcomics actually has a second layer that it goes down into, of which I would probably add later on a back arrow that would allow you to go back to webcomics rather than having to click that again. There's also a line of code that sets the cover. When this was a HTML only website, this code was very, very, very difficult. However, in React, it was much easier to make the code that sets the cover when there is a page that does not have a cover. Like this one, this chapter does not have a cover, so it just goes to page 1. This one does have a cover, but it still has to go to page 1 down here. Animations pull from an embed on YouTube, an iframe, that gets swapped out anytime the video changes and it re-renders. The description pulls from an array of objects that has all the description, all the info of this. The About page is a normal About page that just talks about me, talks about what I've done in the past and what I hope to achieve in the future. The mobile aesthetic of the sites changes quite drastically, removing the ability to use this in order to get to the projects, and the gallery removes that. That is all. I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.